One of the advantages of Evertz is, as far as service goes, it's an easy call to make.
The one thing that we really love with Evertz is there's a personal touch.
Dealing with Evertz has been fantastic.
They're as invested in our show as we are.
They listen to us. They want to hear how to make their product better.
The Evertz team is part of our Ravens family.
I think that's a really neat relationship.
Producing a show with DreamCatcher, it certainly gives you a lot of confidence to go wherever the story is. From a producer standpoint, it's kind of heaven a little bit.
In the stadium, I feel instant replay is the most important thing for our viewer, and the DC-1 is the best replay product I've used.
Evertz understood we had a bigger idea, and they wanted to be a part of it.
Our relationship with Evertz, they've always been phenomenal with us.
The service and support from Evertz is far beyond anything we've ever had before. It's like a family.
They were a partner, they were our friends, and they walked with us on this journey every step of the way.